Universal Reads Kids Channel. Let's learn ABC. A. A for apple. Apple is red and sweet. A for apple. B. B for ball. The ball bounces high. B for ball. C. C for cat. The cat says meow. C for cat. D. D for dog. The dog is friendly. D for dog. E. E for elephant. The elephant is big. E for elephant. F. F for fish. The fish swims in water. F for fish. G. G for grapes. Grapes grow in bunches. G for grapes. H. H for hat. We wear a hat on our head. H for hat. I. I for ice cream. Yummy ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. Fresh juice is healthy. J for juice. K. K for kite. The kite flies in the sky. K for kite. L. L for lion. The lion is king of the jungle. L for lion. M. M for mango. Mango is a juicy fruit. M for mango. N. N for nest. Birds live in a nest. N for nest. O. O for orange. Orange is full of vitamin C. O for orange. P. P for parrot. The parrot can talk. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. The queen wears a crown. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. The rabbit hops fast. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. The sun gives us light. S for sun. T. T for tiger. The tiger has stripes. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. We use an umbrella in the rain. U for umbrella. V. V for van. The van goes vroom. V for van. W. W for watermelon. Watermelon is juicy and sweet. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. Listen to the music. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. The yak lives in cold mountains. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. Subscribe!